Happy Friday. Today we're going to be talking about suffixes. On Wednesday we talked about prefixes. So today we're going to be talking about the letters added at the end of the word and not the beginning. But first let's get started by going over our sight words that we went over on Wednesday. So if you, at this point, you should have read them to someone in your house. So we are just going to say them together. So we're going to start here. Cause, train, blue, wish, drop, sit, wall, legs, sat, main, wide, arms, brother, race, store, job, edge, past, happy, gone, sky, glass, west, lay, root. All right, now we're going to go over suffixes and introduce it again. So a prefix, remember, is letters added at the beginning of the word, but suffix is letters added at the end of the word to change the meaning. So we're going to go over 4 suffixes today. The first one is full. It'll be F-U-L. So this adds meaning to the word to make it mean full of. So when I add care plus full and I say careful, it means full of care. So here we can see I'm adding help plus full, which gives me helpful, which means full of help. Pain plus full, full of pain, painful. Hope plus full, full of hope, hopeful. Play plus full, playful, full of play. Fear plus full, fearful, which means full of fear. So let's go over these words and examples. So if I'm saying my new puppy is very playful, I'm saying my puppy is full of play, a lot of energy. When I say I broke my arm, it was very painful, means my arm was full of pain. When driving, you always need to be careful. So whenever you're driving, especially at night, you need to be full of care. I took a handful of peanuts from the bowl, so I took a handful, so my bowl of my hand, so the peanuts fit in my hand. And then if I say the garden is very colorful, I'm saying the garden is full of color. There's lots of flowers, full of color. So now we're going over a lesson. Remember, just like Wednesday, if it helps, write down the meaning of the suffix on a piece of paper. So when we do our IXL standards, it's going to be right next to you, and it'll help you when you do your homework. So less adds the meaning of without. So if I say care plus less, careless, it means without care. Help plus less, helpless, without help, no help. Pain plus less, painless, without pain. Hope plus less, hopeless, without hope. Wire plus less, wireless, without wires. Fear plus less, without fear. So now let's go over some examples. When she was carrying the bowl, she was careless and dropped the bowl on the ground. So when she was carrying the bowl, she had no care without care, and because she was careless, the bowl dropped. So now the new TV, number 2, the new TV is wireless. It means the TV has no wires, without wires. Number 3, she was fearless walking through the corn maze. So as she's walking through, it's helping us see that she had no fear, without fear. I had endless hours to knit and sew. So it means I had no amount Endless would be with no end, without end. So I could sew, I could keep going. Now we're going to go to Lee.